All right. Another day, another workout. It is leg day, and you can see me grueling. This is just a quick highlight of the leg day where I had some paused hack squats and just me chilling on there and struggling. All right, start off with some squats today. We're power programming. So, with our squats, our goal was to ensure that we can get 6 reps and 4 sets, which I kind of miscalculated in the first set. So, instead of actually going for 6 reps, I ended up doing 5. So that was my bad, my mistake. Like I said, I'm not always perfect. I always mess up, and I wasn't gonna do an extra rep, so I just went a little bit hard with that one. All right, so just warming up into my weights now. With me just going such a low rep range, I also kept my warm ups pretty low rep range. I didn't go too hard with the warm ups, just nice controlled movements, getting those rep range just in. Now today took me a while to warm up as well too. Like it wasn't easy. I struggled into it. I was going play by play with this as well too. So usually it would take me a longer period of time to warm up, but I was quite short for time. So I was like, you know what? Getting those play by plays, I usually would take much longer to warm up on squats for heavy, as opposed to deadlifts where I can usually go play by play. But I decided to use play by play method today to warm up. And of course, it is always a nice and savage workout on leg day. So today, my goal was to hit 225 kilos for 4 sets and 6 reps. So this was me just warming up into it, trying to get my depth in, trying to get those joints ready. I checked the belt on here after. So as you can see in the start, I started off with my knee sleeves and then I had my belt, but there's more that comes in later. So as we get deeper and deeper into it, I'll show you guys more. I started to need every single bit of equipment as I I could find really to support me. So yesterday doing bench, so this is my first working set. Of course, 225 kilos. My depth was a little bit shallow from this angle, so that's one of the things I noticed for this. And I was like, look, I have to try and improve my depth. Then again, after set one, when I looked in the mirror, my depth was so much better, but it didn't seem to show much on the camera today. So like you just gotta take it for what it is. And it's K's 10 as well. So K doing 60 kilos, but she got it right. She got 6 reps in, and we got 4 sets. But after this, she increased the weight, so that was very comfortable for her. Her depth was good. She was going nice and low. And yeah, this was awesome. Like, we're smashing it today. Energy was at an all-time high as well for leg day, and I would have loved a bit more warm-ups sets in to go, but we were very short for time, so we just had to get our training done. We had to get this done in under an hour. So and I usually take my sweet ass time when I'm power programming. So my depth was slightly better here. It could have still improved a bit more, but it was better than the first one. So I'll take it as it is. And this time I decided to go for 6 reps instead. And one of the things about this was my 75% of my max, which is 300 kilos for my max. So it was great working towards it. And one of the things I love about Power Program is the fact that it's just so rewarding after each like sets or reps you do. If you basically once you hit your numbers, you just feel like you've done it. You feel like it's very very rewarding because you're like, well, I've hit my target for the day. So that's one of the reasons I personally love programming, and I do always urge that you guys should always try programming if you can, because it keeps you really accountable and it gets you ready for your sets as well too. So this was a much better set. In this one, I tried to slow down the movements a bit more so I can have a little bit more control of the bar. My angle doesn't show my depth in this one, but I felt like I had actual better depth than I did in my previous ones. I'm looking from the mirror. Of course, I like squatting with a mirror so I can kind of see where my depth kind of lies as well too. So that was pretty good. And then it was case 10. She increased her weight, so she had 70 kilos on the bar, and this was really good for her. She still hit her depth. She was on fire today. She was getting all her lifts in, so that was pretty epic to see as well. And it's always like kind of motivating too. So to see that, and it makes me push harder at the same time too, because at the end of the day, we all want to succeed and we all want to be better. So that was an awesome part of training today. And I think like one of the things we gotta realize is whenever we're going into any heavy set, we have to really take a nice deep breath in and be super focused. Your mind can't be anywhere else apart from getting those reps. But the beauty of it was today was only low reps. It was only 6 reps. And knowing that you only had 4 sets to go on the big weights was kind of relieving. You felt good because you're like, look, once I get this done, nothing too crazy after. I mean, we still had to lift the big weights after, but we had box squats afterwards, and box squats are much easier. And we also got 3 reps in box squats and 3 sets, so it's not that taxing on the body as it is when you are doing full squats. Like box squats are just great for activation, hitting the top part of the movements as well, and ensuring that we are actually utilizing our legs and using our glutes and hamstrings as well to drive the weight. So that's what we'll be getting onto ASAP. So this is my first set of box squats. Nice and easy. My legs will be shaky there. So one of the things I like to do on box squats is just pause for 1 second because it gets rid of the momentum, and then I have to force myself to use my glutes to lift the weight. So this was challenging but good. And you can always lift more on box squats, but I decided to stay on the same weight. Kay went up, however, so like I said, she was on fire today. 80 kilos instead of 70. She also used the box, which I reckon was also slightly lower. Even though she is shorter, it's still slightly lower. So she probably got more depth than I did with this, which was awesome. So she really, really was killing this today. She was pushing it, and it was awesome to see again. Like I said, very motivational. And that's what you need to see in a training partner when you guys are picking a training partner. Someone that's going to push you, or I guess it's going to be vice versa as well. You got to push them too, because some days you're not going to have the perfect day and you're going to need that little booster that's going to help you and motivate you to work harder. So after this, I went for a few longer pauses. So I was there for 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So really, really emphasizing on my legs lifting the weight, which was really, really good. And like I said, the motivation was through the roof and we were killing it. I can't complain about that. So last but not the least, I got a nice close-up angle for you guys as well too. There you go. Getting all serious with this weight, finishing off nice and strong with this. So this was awesome as well. Yeah, and it was all about like getting the right mindset for this workout, because the hardest thing about this workout wasn't just the physical bit. It was like every single time you gotta go into a heavy set, you gotta switch into a different mode. Like with me, if you guys could actually hear the audio in this one, you'd hear me actually like hyping up. I hype up before big sets. I like start to scream a little bit, not over the top on the gym, but just within my tone. And it really just hypes up, gets my adrenaline like pumping before I go in for any heavy set. And then afterwards, we moved on to one of my favorite exercises, lunges. So today, with lunges, I decided not to go too heavy, only 20 kilos, just maintaining that nice control, really feeling those muscles work. So 5 reps, nice and easy, nice and controlled. That's all I needed on each leg. And I only had a very short period of time to do these lunges. So that's why I went very light, so I could have very minimal rest as I go through, which was amazing. And I really, really felt that and could really, really get the most out of these workouts too. So that was awesome. As you guys would know, lunges can be one of the most taxing exercises. I've done 70 kilos on lunges with even walking. So weight is not the issue with that. It's just, great because you can target every single muscle group in your lower body while hitting lunges. That's why if you guys watch my previous videos, you would have known that I said lunges. If I could pick only one exercise for lower body, it would be lunges, 100%. I would not even compare it to any other exercise, not even the squat. And yeah, I'd like to know your thoughts in the comments below actually. So yeah, let me know as well too. So this is my last set of lunges. Nice, controlled, really getting that squeezing, getting that mind and muscle connection in together as well. Actually, I think I got one more set of lunges. Sorry, it was 4 sets, not 3. But it's just all about keeping that control and feeling those muscles work. And for me, that was good. That was really good. Now, I'd like to put it out there as well too. If you guys have any questions about training legs or anything you guys are struggling with, are you struggling to grow your legs? Are you struggling to lean up or tone up your legs, drop it in the comments below because I want to help you guys as much as possible. And please, guys, if you can, watch my videos right to the end because I want to try and boost this algorithm so YouTube can promote my content. I'm putting as much effort as I can to make videos for you daily, and it's very taxing because I have to edit it, and every single video releases at 7 p.m. 6:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. So every single day, there's no day missed. Every single day we train. We go hard, we train, you know. And when I say train every day, guys, I don't necessarily mean that we're going to be training resistance every day because that's not good for you. We've talked about this. It's more, you know, having some sort of cardio in there. You guys would have seen my cardio session, which was boxing, and you guys seem to have loved that because that's got quite a bit of engagement with that one too. So it's a great way to train, try different stuff as well too. And here's Kay doing some lunges as well too, getting it done. And yeah, really, really focused. She went 15 kilos. Like I said, she's on fire today. She's killing it. I decided to keep mine nice and light, but you know, she's got nice knee sleeves on by KXK Fitness. Make sure you check it out. If you want a pair as well, kxkfitness.com. Yeah. But yeah, absolutely killed it. Now, this is actually a great exercise. I absolutely love. This was right at the end of the workout. This was paused hack squats. So I come down and I pause for 1 second and then bring it all the way up. Okay, this was very nice to see. I could really, really push myself and really work through it. That's one of the best parts out of it. So this was awesome to see, and this was actual epic. So it's brilliant, and you can see me after every single set. I am exhausted and I am working. I'm working. Here's another set. Look at me just doing a bit of a little cheer before. And I stopped, actually reset this one completely. I wanted all the momentum gone from these workouts to actually push it. So all momentum gone, push. All momentum gone, push. All momentum gone, push. So that's my goal for these ones. And it was bloody epic. I love this. Really focus on all the muscle groups I need to basically execute a squat in a very controlled manner. Look at that smile. I was excited that I was almost done. Just one more to go. But yeah, this was basically our workout today. In a wrap, it was intense, but it was fun. You got to lift some very heavy weights in there, as well as some light weights and control as well too. And it was a good mix to basically fuel our squats. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone that's been watching, everyone that's been supporting. Don't forget to watch all my videos to the end. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for supporting my content. Your boy is out. Peace.